Yeah, that on the grass is of course a robot. Unfortunately, we couldn't program it, so it's still running the factory software, but we've got some other funny machines to play with instead. Hi, I'm Tudor, and I'm a programmer here at Inwatec. You can just hide the pen in here and see if we can find it. So in the picture here, you can see that we just ran a garment with the pen through. The pen was found and rejected. If we found something, then it comes back. Out here, you can see that it's the garment where we had the pen in. Up until today, they had something like 6 people, which needed to sit there and check pockets all day to make sure things like pens and scissors and screwdrivers don't get into the washing machine. This is our vision box, and inside here we've got the vision camera that takes a picture, and then we've also got a 3D line scanner that measures the volume of that garment. And seeing what you had in your mind come true and be useful for somebody in the real world, that's quite rewarding. It's fun because it's what I would do in my spare time anyway.